This will help.
Thank you.
Dan, are you fantastic?
Yeah. This is.
We're not going to do the first one.
You have the visual here, the effect here, and you drag it.
Just what we have going. We have
Good thing now.
Okay, are you ready to go to Avid, the event at the forefront of VJ and visuals culture? And you might be wondering what all this crazy technology and all these odd-looking people are doing in the middle of a shopping mall. And the simple answer to that is we're wondering pretty much the same. We all know each other through websites, because we're all from around the world, and this is one of the first events that's actually getting all these email addresses and all these internet chats into one place. So this is a crazy day for us as it is for you. What's going to be going on today is that we've got a little conference thing going on in here in the daytime. We've got some audio, visual, electronica going on in the next door bar in the evening, and then tonight this whole space is going to be transformed into a mad club night with a level of visual production that you've never seen before.
And we're fantastically interested in this. This is the cutting edge. This is what's going to be happening in clubs around the world, in lots of venues around the world. And I'm fantastically excited. I think you should be too. And I think you should give these guys a round of applause for putting this thing together. And
programs down here, and just one of the main ideas behind this afternoon's conference is that everything that we do, we're hoping to record and put down as content for vjcentral.com, this website this whole thing is centered around. So if you participate in today, if you get in those discussions, if you're up here giving workshops, you will be in these core articles that in many years to come will be regarded as the definition of VJing, the day it all got written down. Okay, so thanks very much for that. If you just give us 1 second, we'll be starting the hardware showcase and 45 down there. Okay, thanks very much for that. So that Archaeos is basically a video sampler, just in the same way that they have audio samples. So it just maps video clips to the keyboard so that you can stand in a club and just as a DJ's mixing away, you can be playing visuals. Okay?
Okay, so this is Archaeos. I'll show it on the monitor. So basically you have different windows on this one. You have effect windows, visual windows, and keyboard. Keyboard can be MIDI keyboard like this, and controlling this MIDI keyboard, or computer keyboard if you like to just resize this one like this. You have the computer keyboard and you can just do video with the computer keyboard. Okay, so basically it's really easy to set it up. You just take one of the visual, put it on a key, and it's working. For the effect, it's exactly the same. You just drag it and drop it on a key, and you have the effect on the screen. And you can choose one effect and movie for every key. And if I double click on the visual, you have a window opening, and this window it's all the settings of the video, of the picture, the movie, or anything like this. I can choose transparent or copy, or if I want to load it into RAM to have faster response, I can just do it like this. For me, I'm using the MIDI keyboard like this. And then I have all the visual and the effect together. I can just press one key and then I have the video playing. And then if I press another key, I have the effect again. This one is splitting the image in four. And then I can add some effect and change the color like this with the MIDI keyboard. In Arceus I can have 128 patches with different keyboard and visual and effect together, and I can just control from the computer or from the MIDI keyboard as I want. There is a beat detection function here. I don't think we have enough music like this, but we can choose beat detection and changing with the beat of the music. And that's about it. You have many different effects. If you want to know more about it, you can just come to me and can show you how it's working.
Yes.